Good morning to everyone. Myself, I am Surya Narayana, working as an assistant professor in BB Arbits Kavali. Today, in this class, I am going to discuss about sheet metal working. What is a sheet metal working? First of all, it is simply metal formed into thin and flat pieces. According to our requirement, we can change the metal by using sheet metal working tools and equipments. It is one of the fundamental forms used in metal forming and can be cut and bent into variety of different shapes. Countless everyday objects are constructed of the material. And next, the raw material for sheet metal manufacturing process is the output of the rolling process. By passing a material in between two rolls, that means opposite rolls, the output is a thin flat sheet. The output is the input for sheet metal working. Typically, sheets of metals are sold as flat, rectangular sheets of standard sizes. It is the sheets are in thin form nature and they may be in the form of rolls. Sheet metal process can be broken down into two major classifications. Those are shearing process, forming process, and finishing process. Shearing means cutting, fracturing, and separating. Forming means bending, drawing, and etc. And finishing means surface finishing operations. First of all, I am discussing about shearing. Shearing, in that we have punching, making holes. By making holes, the making interior part will be punched and exterior part will be blank. Perforating, that means making holes continually in a sheet. Parting means dividing or splitting into two or more pieces. Notching means removing the edges. Lancing, leaving a tab without changing or removing any material. That is shearing process. This is the figure for shearing process. Based on this figure, we can explain all these operations. Punching means interior portion. The discarded part, which is blanked part. Blanking. And next, parting. Parting, that means dividing or splitting into two or more pieces. Perforating, making holes continually in a sheet. Splitting means dividing. Notching means removing the pieces on edges. Lancing means without changing. That means leaving a tab without changing. That is lancing. And bending. Coming to forming process, bending. Forming process causes the sheet metal to undergo desired shape by bending without failure. Stretching. Stretching means tension or pushing or pulling. Drawing. Drawing also I'll explain by using a diagram here. Next, first figure, punching, making a V die. Punch is a type of V type punch. And second figure I am showing that after punching that shape will be changed. And second figure, wiping a die. By using a load, we can make the flat bit or flat bar into a L shaped. And various bending operations. First figure I am showing that air bending. By using a punch, we can change the flat circular bar into a center deformable part. And next, bending in a 4-slide mechanism or machine. 4-slide, that means top, bottom and two sides. First of all, that can be changed by using center load and after that side loads, compression action. And next, figure C, that is the process of changing using two rolls, backup roll and working roll. And next, fourth one is roll bending. In roll bending, two rolls having small diameters and upper one is the larger dia. Why? Because it must be having the higher weight. If the weight is very small, the deformation is also very small. That is the reason for that. And next, schematic diagramming of drawing. Drawing, that means changing the shape based on the die. Next, sequence of roll forming. That means passing a stock into a roll can change the part into box type. In this figure, I am showing that from first pass to 8th pass. Next, finishing. Finishing process, that means material properties and geometry of the starting material and the geometry of the desired final product play important role determining the best process. Equipments, those are presses, punches, ram and set of dies. Presses, mechanical press. In mechanical press, the ram is actuated using a flywheel. Stroke motion is not uniform. In hydraulic press, we are using lubrications, longer strokes than mechanical presses and develop full force throughout the stroke. That is hydraulic. This one is the mechanical press, and next this one is the hydraulic press. And next, dies and punches. In that we have three combinations. One is simple, second one compound, third one is combination. Simple, that means single operation with single stroke. Compound, two operations single stroke. Combination, two operations at two stations. Progressive, that means two or more operations at various positions and various operations. That is progressive. This one is the figure for progressive. That means two or more operations at various positions and various changes. Tools and accessories. For bending, folding or perforating changed by using these tools. We already saw that and used also these tools in basic workshop. Marking and measuring tools. Those are steel rule, scriber, tri-square and next divider. Next, striking tools. Cutting tools, straight snip, curved snip and next straight snip. This one is used for cutting the straight sheets. Next, curved. For curvature we are using curved snips. Striking, hammers. That means mallet, wooden mallet. And next, different types of mallets. Ordinary wooden mallet and bossing mallet, end faked mallet and rawhide mallet. Merits: high strength, good dimensional accuracy, relatively low cost. And demerits: tearing is occurred, that means crackings. And in order to overcome the limitations, we are developing more techniques. That is very expensive process. Drawbeds and vertical projections. Trimming may be used to reach final dimensions. That is the demerit of this process. Applications: roofings and vehicle body buildings for two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers, ships, aircrafts. And next, furnitures, household articles. We are using this one. Stamping, that means similarly known as pressing process, is the process of placing flat sheet metal in either blank or coil formature into a stamping press where a tool and die surface forms the metal into a net shape. Stamping includes a variety of sheet metal forming manufacturing process such as punching using a machine press or stamping press. Thank you students. Thanks for watching.